What's up, YouTube? World Racing Tech here. I want to send shouts out to the people who's been supporting and commenting and showing positive feedback towards my build. It's amazing. Slowly but surely, I'm getting there. You guys could like, subscribe, comment, tell a friend to tell a friend. I appreciate it. The last video you saw, I chopped the top down, added some bracing to it. So I started to take apart the front end. Started sanding down the frame. Trying to get this thing together, Still some more work to be done. I gotta take apart the steering rack right here. Disconnect the shifting linkage so I can finish sanding and started priming up some spots little by little. But it's coming out awesome. Every day I look at this thing and I say to myself, this is gonna be amazing. Hopefully the weather starts getting a little warmer here. It's supposed to be warm, but you know how it is. Mother Nature's fighting. But it's coming out awesome. As you can see, little prime work. Red dust everywhere. It's coming out nice. Waiting on a couple things to come in the mail. Yeah, she's coming along. Sand down everything. I was going to keep it red, but then I said to myself, I like black. Satin black matte look is always awesome. Yeah, please tell a friend, like, subscribe, comment. Pardon the mess. Between work and the family, it's hard to get these things done sometimes, but I try to get a little bit done every day. She's looking great. Can't wait to ride this thing, man. The Nighthawk is over there sitting covered up. She's like, take me out. I'm dying to see both of them sitting side by side and make a video of that. Maybe next weekend or so, I might take out this one. Take it for a ride, give you a video of it riding. I just been concentrating on this one right here because originally my plan was before I got that one and made that one, I wanted to get a one-seater. So now this is the one-seater with a little bit more power, 250 cc's more, so I appreciate you guys helping out and commenting and subscribing. I got a couple new subscribers. Shouts to you guys. I love you guys' builds. You guys are inspiration to me as well. As soon as I get notifications from you guys, I'm watching all day. Well, guys, let's start a new thing here. Gotta start a new sport. If everything works out, I'm planning on getting some land and make a track for dune buggies, quads, dirt bikes. Hopefully everything goes well. We see how that goes, you know. I do want to build these things professionally. Well, I consider myself a professional engineer, if you ask me. It takes, you know, it takes talent to do what we do, guys. So, you know, anybody need helps, tips, you know, you let me know, talk to me. I'm very helpful. Trying to give you guys a detailed look of what this looks like. She's coming along. The front suspension, what I'm gonna do to the spindles, actually going to, here's the front spindles. I will be cutting off these, and I'm gonna weld in here new joints, like tie rod end joints, greasable, because that's the only downfall with these. They don't have like a grease fitting. So I got a couple of these laying around. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try it on that first. So I'm gonna cut along this line right here, and then weld it onto here and put a grease fitting on the side, so be able to, so they stay greased up. So I think that's one of the major downfalls. So let's see, you know, it should work out fine, because the diameter between this is usually the same sway bar lengths, certain ball joints. So I want to make that very structural. These are the front disc brakes, obviously. Front A-arms, the lower A-arm, top A-arm. And change the bushings and all of those as well. Here's the other side. Show you a video of that when I get it done. I still have to figure out the gauge cluster. I'm gonna be mounting the gauge cluster right here. So the gauge cluster is gonna go in there. That's where the gauge cluster is going. Just like that. And then at the top of that, I'm gonna see if I get a plexiglass windshield made to go from that bar on top of the cluster to the top right there. Well, folks, this is another video for you. I'm trying to update, even if it's short, I'm trying to update videos for you guys. So you guys can see what I'm doing here. Right here, I'm gonna put was it a 16-inch light bar from here to here. Put a light bar right there. I'm gonna put some more lights here. And I got some nice mirrors coming that's gonna go here. Just like those. Just like these right here. Sorry for the dark. Alright, people, like, subscribe. Let me know what you think. Any ideas? I'm open to ideas. Thanks so much for the support. God bless everybody. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Thank you.